What's up, everybody? It's your man Evis and Aaron, and we are excited about the holiday season, and we are certain that you are too. But with the holidays comes crooks, robbers, and criminals of all sorts of kinds. So we have something very exciting just for you, some great training, because if you seem to find yourself in that tricky situation of being assaulted or threatened with violence with an edged weapon, we have created the fantastic Practical Blade Workshop. Now, we're going to make it real simple, real easy. You can be of any skill level, any training modality you like whatsoever, but we'll take you through how you acquire the weapon itself, how you deal with or manage the attacker and control the attacker, what happens when you go to the ground, and some great little situational fun activities and playtime. Listen, it's going to be a lot of work, but you can have a lot of fun, build some camaraderie with great people, and learn some really important tools and skills. Nothing that you have to memorize, all intuitive and great stuff. Saturday, December the 8th. $20 for members of South Austin Gym, that's where we train, $45 for everyone else. So basically, for the cost of filling up your gas tank, you can learn some really practical stuff that will help save, protect the ones that you love, all while having a great time in a fun, safe environment.
Hey, don't forget that's Saturday, December 8th, noon to 2 p.m. In the meanwhile, check us out on Facebook at Neo Force Training. See you guys there.